Tian Qin Tools is an import and export company integrating industry and trade. Its Runhui hardware tools factory is specialized in the production of hardware hand tools, exported to many countries in the world, and has a high evaluation. For example, America, Europe, South America, Middle East, Southeast Asia. Founded in 1999, our factory has a history of more than 20 years in China. Professional production and sales of bearing puller, adjustable wrench and other hand tools. Have very professional hardware tools production experience. Enjoys a high reputation in the Chinese market. Many suppliers of Alibaba. We have been adhered to the professional products, professional manufacturing concept. The introduction of professional technical personnel improve the traditional processing technology. We look forward to better service, more professional technology, more detailed management, more close to market products.